This is part 2 of the Rat Rod build. I'm working on the rims right now. This one, the other one, they're both pretty pitted. So I'm just using my Dremel with this little bit on it, and sanding it down. Sorry about me sniffling. I'm kind of sick, but just sanding it down and gonna spray it with some red paint. It's armor coat, rust paint, blah 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 blah. But yeah, I haven't had a video since like last week, I think, 'cause I haven't been feeling great on the weekends, so I thought I'd post this one. Just grinding it down and putting paint on it. Alright, but oh yeah, and the frame. I haven't done much work to. If you look, I don't know how well you guys can see this. It's out there still in paint. Just the wheels are off of it. But yeah, this is just part 2. Part 3. Hopefully, have the rims painted and start working on the frame. Alright, bye.